You have a choice. Make sacrifices 3 years, but after 3 years, you will have a chillionary lifestyle. Or you can stay warm in your job, but every Monday, hinihila mo ang paa mo papunta sa trabaho, nakikipagpalitan ka ng mukha sa bus at sa MRT. That is up to you. That is up to you. Because here's what I'm sharing with you guys. This is time. This is income. This is you. And your friends, say your college friends, your high school friends, your neighbors, your best friend. If you think about it, for most of us, of course, hindi naman laging gano'n na situation, but for most of us, pretty much we start on what? In the same slate. So kung mga barkada mo college, pare-pareho kayong wala masyadong pera, kung meron man difference, maliit lang ang difference. But if you think about it, everyone starts here, right? Same starting point. But again, over time, every decision that you make, okay, it's either you're gonna go here, okay, every small decision that you make, or over time, it can go up here. So this time, every hour or day of your lives, these are small decisions, guys. The funny thing is we only see this, like maybe it could be 10 years difference, right? It could be just say 10 years na to, this is a 10 years time. This could be you, this could be your friend, but this could be vice versa. You will always see someone makes more money than you, like ultimately multiplied more money, 10 times more money than you. The difference, again, those small decisions. What do you do with your time? What do you do with your money? Who are the people that you always hang out with? What kind of mindset do you have? What kind of education, if you are even educating yourself? Everything, my friend, accumulate every time. So for this one, it could be times 10 of whatever income of this person is. I hope that you guys are getting the point. There is a process involved, but if you will, believe in the process, embrace, number one, there's a process involved. Number two, obstacles are recipes for success. Soon, you're gonna make 10 times more than those people who decided to live and embrace a mediocre and average life. So I hope this helps. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.